Hello, in front of me I've got 70mai Dashcam M500. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this camera. Firstly, let's take a look at the camera itself. Right here on the front we've got the camera visualization with name and some of the specifications of the camera. Here we can find that this camera has built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, built-in eMMC, 170 degrees ultra-wide angle and 1944 pixels Ultra HD video. On the back of the original box we can find some more specification like resolution, dimensions, input, model and lens. And here we've got the serial number. And on the sides of the box we can only find 70mai logo. So let's kick it off and open the box. We've got this another sticker we have to unstick. And now we can open the box. Let's take this paper cover. Right here we can find some manuals. Also with this plastic sticker, which will help us attach the camera to front windshield. Let's put it aside for a minute. And here we've got only the dashcam manual. And now, here we've got the camera itself. Firstly, let's put it aside and open this cardboards. Here we can find USB-C to USB-A cable, thanks to which we can charge our camera. And here we've got the tool, thanks to which we can hide the cable under the plastics in our car. Let's put it back. Open the left cardboard. Here we have the holder, thanks to which we can attach the camera to front windshield. And in the end we've got the adapter, thanks to which we can connect our camera to power outlet in the car. Let me just check here. There's nothing else. Okay. Once we've settled with the cardboards, let's take a look at the camera itself. Here we've got the back of our camera. This is the front, this is the back. The back of the camera faces the road. And on the front of the camera, which faces us, we can see serial number of device, specification and model number. Here we've got the charging port and of course power button. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.